Today I am going to be testing some household gold, scrap gold, and I'm looking to sell because the price of gold now is pretty high, and I really don't have use for these pieces. Now, most of the time you could see on the markings whether it's 18, 10, carat gold, 24, but it's good to test. This way you go a little bit more informed when you go to sell your gold. You could at least know the quality of it, and then you could weigh it, and then you could kind of get a ballpark to see if you're getting ripped off or just not getting paid enough. And there's always negotiating power when you're going to do your gold, so you got to find the right place that they're going to treat you good, and that's key. So let's pick a piece. So I pretty much kind of know this jewelry, so I'm pretty much sure that this is gold, but let's confirm and check out this premium testing kit that I picked up. So we have acid for 14 karat, we have 10 karat, and we have 18 karat. So it's pretty simple. It comes with a stone, testing stone. And since we'll be rubbing the gold piece to make a scratch mark to test it, this comes with a little rubber pad so that it doesn't slip when you're marking the gold. Full instructions, and I briefly went over the instructions, and I'm going to do this for the first time, and you're gonna watch with me. So the first thing we need to do, we got 3 levels of gold. We're gonna test. We're gonna do the 10, 14, and then the 18. So let's go over here to the eagle, because America, right? Yeah. So let's make our first scratch. So, ooh, let's not waste. So we got 3 marks. A little hard to see, but there are your marks. Now, when I run the acid drip over it, if it says it's 10 karat gold, you will be able to see the gold through the acid. If it's not, it disappears. So we're going to go down the line with 10 karat and move over, then 14, then 18. If it's not 18, then this one should disappear. So let's go and make our first pour. Let's bring this down here. Okay, so you can see right there. Let's make our first pour here. Okay, I made a big boo-boo. I spilled it both, but that's okay. So right away, obviously we know it's 10. We see it, and what a mess I made. So this is an acid neutralizer. So when you want to clean the stone, put a few drops there, you wipe it clean, so you would neutralize the testing acids so that you could reuse this stone hundreds of times. We passed the 10 karat test, so we're going to move to the 14 karat test, right? So let's go there. Let's go to number 14 karat test. So it's definitely at least 14 carats. Now we're going to move to the 18 karat test. Let's see if we have 18 carats here. What do we got here? Fading. Definitely don't see it. So we got 14 karat and not 18. So this piece is 14 karat gold. So we could put this in another container and we could sort it so that we could make sure we're getting our fair price. And that's what it's all about. Going in with more knowledge than the average person. This way you're kind of on a better path to get a fair price. So we're going to neutralize the stone for drop. Now here's a piece that I'm not too sure about, you know. Can't verify, I can only assume. So let's test it. We're going to go 1 line, 2 line, then 3 line. I put them a little too close together. So hopefully I put the drop. Let's go 10 karat first. Okay, definitely that's 10 karat. Let's go 14. Definitely 14. Let's go 18. Oops. So even though I made a mess there, it's definitely disappearing. And that's disappearing. But this is the one. That's the true one. So it's 14, not 18. There we go. So I wasn't too sure about this, but now I am sure. So it goes in the pile. Pretty much there you have it. First time I've done it here with you. And this is like the scale of the size. If you're going to do a lot of gold and do it often, I would probably suggest picking up a larger testing stone. These bottles, seems like I have plenty of bottles to do more gold than I probably have. And super easy to verify. You know, I got this bag of gold to work through. And I also have some, maybe costume jewelry that may have some gold pieces mixed into it. But these are the ones that I assumed, over the years are legit, legit gold. And with the price of gold, I am going to sell some of this and get some money in hand and pay some bills. Thanks for watching.